Next bit, I could do select star from recipe class description, recipe classes. What? I need my tables. I could do select, and just because this is the tradition, select star from recipe classes. Okay, I got 10 rows there when it's joined. Ooh, I got 15. So there's some stuff that got left out of the join, right? And if I do select star from recipes, I got 12. So in recipes, there's 12 records. In recipe classes, there's 15. But when I joined them, I only had 10 rows. So the reason is because we did an inner join. An inner join, I have this set of data here. Maybe this is recipe classes, right? This set of data, and it's got, so there's that set of data, right? Recipe classes. It's got 15 records. And then here's, I don't know when I ran that. Oh, there's a lot of data in there. Here's recipes, this set of data. It's got 12 records in it. But the stuff that they share in common, here's that data. So it's an inner join. It's what they share in common. It's inner joins, just the definition. Show me where recipe class ID equals recipe class ID. It's where they're connected. So that's the inner join. If we did a left join, we'll talk about that in the next video. I think that this is that video. Let me see that. Because we had documents, recordings. Yeah, this is that video. This was O3 inner join solution. And now this is that video. Cool. So left join is going to give me what they have in common and what exists over here that wasn't connected. So I had this right here. That's my join. That gives me what they have. That gives me this. That's the join, right? What they have in common. Now I want to do a left join. What is on the left? What set is on the left? What set of data?
Recipe classes.
Recipe classes. It's not rocket science. You're looking at the syntax. You're reading the sentence. Recipe classes is to the left of left join. So that's what we're going to, hey, that's what's on the left. So recipe classes, we are going to see the 10 records they have in common. And we're going to see 5 more classes that aren't connected to anything. Left join, ready? There are the 10 they have in common. And then here are the 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not in common. So that's this stuff here, right? What about if we wanted to see what was on the right? What's on the right of our join?
Recipes.
So why ain't ye all saying recipes?
Recipes.
What's on the right?
It's a recipe.
Recipes. Easy, right? So now we're going to get this, and we're going to get everything on the right. And so what's on the right? We're going to have two more that aren't connected, because when they're joined, we got 10 connected. And then when we just say recipes, we got 12, so we're going to have 2 that aren't connected. So here are the ones that are connected, and then here are the 2 that aren't connected. And in recipe title, recipe titles, recipe classes, recipes, just recipes. In recipes, we have those fields. So if I wanted to, I could come in and we've got recipe class description, we've got recipe title. We could do recipe class ID. Oh, let's just do, sure, recipe class ID, that's fine. Oh, we don't know which one that's from. So we could say from recipes, recipe class ID, because they each have that field. And then we could have preparation. There's only one field like that in our query in both the tables and both the sets. And we could have notes. Here are the 10 that are shared in common. So all I did was ask for more fields. And here are the 2 where there's no recipe class ID. So they're not connected. So that's a inner join, left join, right join. And I have flexibility, people. We have been reading our stuff left to right, just because we read left to right. But I could also, if I wanted, put recipes here. And I could do recipes, recipe classes here. Now it's going, what's on the right now? Recipe classes is on the right. So here I still got all those fields. Here are the ones that are connected. And then here are the 5 that aren't connected. And then finally, so that's an inner, that's a left, that's a right. And then here's a full. The whole enchilada, the whole kebab, the entire bag of burritos, the whole smoothie. It's the whole ice chest cooler full of dog kibble. It's the whole thing. So I could do this. You can see it's either full join or full outer. So here are the things that are connected. This is from Ruben and that. Those are from recipes, right? So that's from recipes. So that gives me that stuff. And this is from that other one. I've got one more there. I had to hit spacebar to see it. So now, inner join, left join, right join, full join should be no mystery to you. Inner join. Left join. Right join. Full join. No mystery to you. Huh? What? Oh, I thought somebody said something. And the thing you have to remember is you are reading a sentence. I'm just putting it over here so we could see it better. You are reading a sentence. Oh, I hit the down arrow key. I'm going to hit enter as soon as I do this, so it's logged in memory. You're reading a sentence. From recipes, join recipe classes. I actually like it, to match my schema, because I like to be able to think, because I am no genius. I like to be able to think of it in the same way I'm looking at it. And I read things left to right because that's what culture I grew up in. So recipe classes, recipes. Joining those two. Or, right, left join, right? So like my schema here, oh, that's on the left. That's on the left in my sentence. This is on the right in my schema. This is in the right of my sentence. So I could kind of see, right? Because I'm no genius. I could kind of see, okay, I'm getting this thing on the left. You should know it'll give me all the connected records and anything from over here that's not connected. Okay? Cool. We're going to go into thinking about sets in the next one. We're going to explore that. How many people that video helped you? 4 people, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 11.